Indy, will you make me some bacon?
Yeah.
Mom probably wants some ham steak, right? All right, here's what we got going on. I'm still just trying to work through some batches and get caught up. I spent a big part of the weekend just sitting out here plugging away on this stuff. I hate to say it, but it's actually really nice to not have to worry about filming and documenting and like coming up with a good video and editing and all that kind of stuff and just being able to sit down and work. So I think that's a big benefit of not doing the vlogs on the weekend. So I appreciate you guys' patience. We're back at it. It's Monday. Of course, you won't see this till Tuesday. We're about to live stream it up. How much time? About 10 minutes. All right, so I'm gonna go live. I'm gonna plug away at some of this stuff today, and that's what my day's looking like. So let's get to that B-roll. Are you ready to do some work, dude?
You should teach him.
He's ready.
Free labor.
He wants to work. You can see it. It's in his blood. That boy wants to do leather work. What are you doing? You're trying to leave?
Okay.
Love you guys. Thanks for coming to see me. High five, buddy. Well, we gotta go to Gigi's house at 6:30. Are you guys gonna meet me there?
We're gonna go say happy birthday to Carson. Okay, we love you.
Okay, have fun. Drive safe. Just had a real successful live stream. No Wi-Fi issues. Woo! Heading back for phase 2 of moving the hot tub. We'll see how it goes. This hot tub came with babies? Babies in a tub.
Pre-installed babies.
Skate or die, bro. Skate or die. Yeah. It's a lawnmower. Let's go take it down the road. All right, so I just got home and Whit and the kids are still gone. She was at her parents' house, but I need to whip up some dinner because I'm hungry. But before I close this out, I need to open up the discussion. This is something I've been thinking about all day. What is it that motivates you? I'm not talking about like some good jams, like I love it when my favorite jam comes on. At a core level, what is it that makes you get up every morning and motivated to work towards something you love or just push and work and grind? What is it? What is the deeper meaning behind what we're doing? I have some thoughts on the matter. I would love it if this channel became something more than just a few simple leathercraft tutorials. I would love it if in the end my work could help others improve their lives and help us improve our lives along the way. I'd love it if we could motivate and inspire and encourage and help people make some changes that in the end will lead them to a happier life. I think that would be amazing. The further we go with this, the more I'm going to be able to put into the channel and really take it where I want it. And I can't wait for that. I'm excited for it. I hope you guys are here for the ride. But I'm just curious, what is it for you? What motivates you? What is it? Let me know. It's different for everyone. In the end, I just want to continue improving the lives of my family. That's my end goal, and if I could help others do the same thing, then that's amazing. I just saw some headlights pull up, so I think they're here. I'm gonna go get them, and we'll wrap this up. Thanks for being here, guys. It's been a good day. We'll see you tomorrow, I guess. All right, love you guys. Bye. Who's that? Is that my bud? Hi, buddy. Should we push play? You miss me?
Yeah!
I missed you so much.
They missed you, Dad. Look at these, it's Lego warmers. They're just teeny.
Who are those for, me?
Yeah.
What?
Should Dad wear these?
No.
Okay, try on your tutu.
Okay, it's time for bed. Love you guys. Good night.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Love you. Good night. See you later. See ya.